video, I'll be showing you how to create a TikTok playlist in under 3 minutes. So first things first, you need to launch TikTok, then go to your profile. Then as you can see here, I have one video. Well, this video is shared for my friends only. So in order to create the playlist, you need to have public videos and you'd need to have a certain number of followers. So once the video is public to everyone, let me change the privacy of the video and allow this to be public. Alright, so once the video is public, you could actually click on the three lines and add this video to a playlist from here. Then it would require you to name the video. So let's just call this test. Give it a few seconds, click on next, and the playlist has been created. And if we go to our profiles, we'd also see the playlist at the top here. We could click on it, and then as you can see, no videos in playlist. We could add videos, we could delete the playlist, and so on. So let's actually delete the playlist. And as you can see, it has been deleted. If we should refresh our profile. And then the second method is to click on the three lines, click on creator tools, and then you'd see the option here, playlists. Then let's click on start creating playlist. Select a name for the playlist and click on next, and simply add the video and click on done. As you can see here, test 2, it has one video. We could edit the playlist, we could change the name of the playlist, share or delete playlists, and that is basically how you'd create playlists for your TikTok profile. So if this video was helpful, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.